Hello friends, welcome to Guangzhou Shenlong Kitchen Equipment. I'm Bella. Today I'm very happy to introduce Fonatel Max Series cooking range to you. Fonatel Max Series cooking range have different size. We have the 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch. Fonatel Max Series gas range standard one is used in stainless steel 304. Also, we can make the one with a 430 material. And also the frame, we use the cast iron to make it. So it's very durable and also very strong. For this gas range, we have the 2 heads, 4 heads, and 6 heads. For example, these 6 heads models, we have 6 controllers. Different controller can show you taking care of which burner. Also, you can choose this GM pan shelf. You can put the pan there and put the ingredients there. The chef can cook and take care of the food very easily. So okay, this is a Fonatel Max Series gas range. If you want more information, please contact our team. Bye-bye.